Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Friends, let me motivate you first. See, handwriting improvement is really a very easy task. The only thing which is required in order to achieve this goal is our consistency. If you are consistent only for a few days, I feel that you would be able to write beautifully. So, friends, today we are going to practice some of the letters which we call wave letters. See, here is something like a wave. First, we should practice this. I'm starting from the third line and going till second, just like making a wave. So we should practice this, or we can practice this way too, like this. Because when it comes to cursive writing, a lot of wrist movement is involved. So this would help us to write beautifully. So here I am going to write some of the wave letters as we have practiced this, like see, letter C, this is letter A, same way letter D. See the similarity, all are starting just as a wave. Letter G, letter Q, and letter O. So by practicing this, we would be able to write 6 letters at least in one go. So I hope this video is going to help you. See you soon in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.